Hi there, Nancy Reeves here, your fundraising coach. I know you want to be a skillful fundraiser, especially with your desire to round out your fundraising skills. In order to transform lives and communities, you need a way to find those who can help and have the necessary funds to support your mission. The life of your programs depends on your raising money beyond events and beyond this pandemic. In fact, you have an urgent need to reach your fundraising and uppermost goals. You may feel anxious, eager, and even uncertain about next steps. I believe you should be confident, comfortable, and successful securing large gifts so you can contribute to work that matters. I understand and care about small nonprofits, which is why I'm offering my free Major Gift Fundraising Plan template. To grab your free plan, simply go to fundraisingmaximize.com or 1. Click the link here, 2. Select free plan, 3. Download your free plan, and 4. Start securing large gifts. Stop being dependent on event fundraising, worrying about meeting your goals, and working without a fundraising plan. But instead, raise more money than you ever thought possible, impact more lives than ever before, and open career paths you never imagined.